Hi, dear friends. Sungtini nalone hai sini current affair of India. Sini part 6 sini. Part 6 actually question sini changa sini. Friends, norong kaisa request kana mo tungo ang o jaga reading khajeni kisa to spelling rok ba pronunciation rok kisa misa mistake ni mono haipon nakardi. Norok question te answer norok focus khai friends. Again, I question number. Which of the following Indian public sector bank has launched a co-brand credit card in association with Standard Chartered Bank? Public sector bank bo bank launch klarika co-brand credit card hanai nai chawo friends Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank to motamoti joto khana friends answer Bandhan Bank. Next 122 number. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the 4.2 million redevelopment project of the 200-year-old Lord Sri Krishna temple in which country? Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Clarika to 4.2 million redevelopment ni bagai project ni bagai 200 bosor kesam Sri Krishna ni pondir ni bagai ni saw bo country wo abo Bahrain friends Bahrain country. Exercise number. Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani launched project SU.RE in which city? Bo city wo project haikane sawo. Tamo SURE project. Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani. Bo jaga wo Mumbai friends Mumbai. 124 number tabung nade. Which state government has launched exclusive education TV channel Kalbi Tholai Kachi Kalbi Tholai Kachi bo jaga wo Tamil Nadu wo tamne to exclusive education TV channel channel mungka Kalbi Tholai Kachi friends Tamil Nadu state government amon launch khairka. Sine 125 friends nade. Who among the following will be conferred with the eminent engineer award for the year 2019 of the occasion of engineering day? Engineer day wo 2019 ni je eminent engineer award Jaka sabuna onisho, okay? Prabhakar Singh, friends. Sine 126 number. Who became the most successful Indian captain in overseas test? Most successful captain ni bumong India ni Virat Kohli, friends. Amon to song Simon. Who is the head of CBC? CBC committee to examine bank fraud above 50 crore. CBC ni head sabonai sango tamne exam khainai rok bank fraud ko 50 crore ni saka khainai rong ni je a CBC committee. CBC mane Central Vigilance Committee ni je head ni sabo TM Basin. 128 number friends tabunade. Which country award Prime Minister Narendra Modi the King of Hamad order to of the Renaissance Bahrain friends amto bini topic kisa sungus kang na lekha. Sine 129 friends. Which Indian player has become the first ever to clinch the badminton world championship title. Badminton ne first ever cleans badminton world championship ni title saman ka angkai bo Indian player angkai PV Sindhu friends of PV Sindhu am jotono sino next 130 number PM Modi launched the RuPay card in which among the following Gulf countries sengthanayo nuka Nepal bo launch khairika RuPay card no orke UAE we country of Ramde Bofro Khairika 24th August 2019 launch Khairika friends. Sini next 131 number Monali Jadhav who won 3 medals at World Police Game WPG is from which state? Bo state ni bo Maharashtra friends of Maharashtra ni. 132 which team won the 129 Durand Cup? 129 Durand Cup sao chi dikha ngai Gokulam Kerala FC friends of. Sini 133 number the Global Subforum of 2019 Alibaba philanthropy will be held in which city by Union Territory? Okay, New Delhi friends of New Delhi. 134 number what is the gross domestic product or GDP of India for the year 2019 as per Modi investor service amongka buburung jagabo 23rd August 2019 busak enggak right answer 6.2% right answer friends. Oja kabongo egru kanga jago noro amo system busiang ni hitnai 2.6 amongka right answer 2 number. Sini next number friends nadi 135 number the first Vande Bharat Express which was flag off on February 15 2009 15 February has started its service between which two stations? Both station Vande Bharat Express okay New Delhi to Varanasi friends. New Delhi to Varanasi. Sine 136 number at which place did the Prime Minister of India inaugurate the Pahari Dam modernization scheme on February 15 2019 15 February 2019 tamo Pahari Dam modernization scheme nai launch khakia bojago okay which place okay Jhansi wo Uttar Pradesh Jhansi. Where was the 14th Agriculture Science Congress inaugurated on 20 February 2019 in India? 20 February ni je 14 Agriculture Science Congress inaugurate khalaikia bojaga New Delhi. Right answer New Delhi. 138 number who among the following took charge of Election Commissioner of India on 15 February 2019 February 15 तारिख February 2019 no ko Election Commissioner ni charge ya for jaka sabno angke Sushil Chandra no which state government in India has announced that all state government office will be paperless by 2021 2021 ni bisingo पेपारलेस खाने बागै बो स्टेट अनाउंस खाजागा अंके अरुणाचल प्रदेश 140 नंबर फ्रेंड्स which team won the Irani Trophy in 2019 Irani Trophy sabo didikha anke Vidarbha friends Vidarbha enga friends among ka koekta sine 121 nismi 140 dista sine current affair friends ekdom important mang norok ko khade mukhsto khade friends enke norok jodi no video nai kisuta nong ni samuna hanke like khade te share khade ar channel subscribe khade ko takono subscribe khare de friends besinte buskanga video ko tu tongo nasingi tongdi tai sing video ko din complete ngon pore na nong no pdf full free read nai download link no download khai porne mana na for friends bitin bagi asung na hai teisa hambai